as you see in the armor files, I also have these ones, same things set up for you to make this easy. And you're just going to go and let's do my upper chest first. So I'll select 57. I'll go ahead and go like this. Just delete that and make it upper chest. And I'll change this to whatever. You just name your armor, then you'd set up all this stuff here however you want it to be. You can leave it the way it is, and or you can change it. Now if I don't add anything, like let's say I wanted this to be crafted in the Dwarven armor section, I'd click add, and then I'd come up here and type in armor material, and there you have all the armor materials for your forge. So if I were to select Elven, it would add that to this list, and this would be craftable in the Elven section of the forge, which I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it blank, which means it'll be craftable in the miscellaneous section at the forge when I'm done. So there's my void armor upper chest, and I'm not going to change anything here. You can set up, if you want it to have a weight, you can add a weight to it, an armor rating. You can add an armor rating to it, to this specific piece. I'm not going to do anything like that. I'm going to go to my world model. You got to have ground objects, so select edit. This is the upper chest go, so I'm going to select that, open, okay. And I'm going to do it for both, even though you really only have to do it for the males, and it'll show for both the female and the male. But let's say one chest, like the female chest, looks different than the male chest, and you have two different ground objects. You'd have to add the separate one to the. This is just for the ground object. You should already know that from previous videos. And I have to add the model, so I come down here to models and I select new, and this was my upper chest 02AAA upper chest. This is what I just made, and I'm going to select OK. So there we have it. I can go ahead and select OK on this one. I'm going to do the same thing for the other two pieces. So there's, I should have made that 02, but oh well. Then I had the panties, so I'll do the panties one, which is slot 52 panties, and I'll just go like that. And slot 52 panties, I'll call this the panties, because that's what they are. And I'll add the ground object to this. So I'll go to the panties go, open, okay, edit, panties go, open, okay. So there they are, and I'll go ahead and add it, the model down here. 02 panties AA, that's what we just made. And there we go, that's the panties. Craftable in the miscellaneous. Like okay, yes, and then I have the skirt. Remember those leggings? And I'll go ahead and call this the void armor leggings, and I'll just go ahead and change this up here to I'll just delete that right there, and there we go, skirt. And again, I have to add the ground object, so I find my skirt go, open, okay, edit, skirt go, open, okay. Now again, like as you can see, this isn't a skirt, it's leggings, but that was just a suggestion. It's kind of a skirt area of the body. That's just the suggestion that I have. You can use whatever you want. So come down here, for each slot can be for whatever. But anyways, I select 02 skirt AA, okay, and there we have it. This is set up, so I'll go ahead and select OK, create new form, yes. So there's my three pieces. Now I need to make these craftable. So again, you come over here to constructible object. Oh, and look what we have here. I already have you set up with some slots. You don't need to use these. Creating constructible objects is easy. So the first thing, I'll add my upper chest. Come down here to slot 57 upper chest. I'll just go ahead and delete the slot 57. Oops. And I'll find my upper chest, 01A upper chest. And I'm just going to leave mine as one leather strip and select OK, create new form. Yes, so there's my upper chest. Now I need my skirt, which is the leggings. So I'll come up here, I'll just delete the slot thing. Now you'll want to use your own names, but you get the idea. And I'll select my skirt. So there we are, okay. Yes, and then the same thing, so you got upper chest, skirt, and I had the panties. So I'll come up here and just delete slot 52 on here, and I'll select panties right there, and select OK. New form, yes. So now they're craftable in game. Now I'll go up here and I'll save this. Now I need to create a new thing here, a new name for it. So I'll call this AAA tutorial temp. You call your ESP whatever you want. I'll click Save. So there we go. My armors are now added to an ESP file, and they're ready to be tested in game. I'm going to fix my BS lighting shader properties in these, and I'll go ahead and test them out in game. So I'll see you here in a second. Alright, so here I am in game, and I've already QA smoked, and I'm going to go ahead and run over here to the Forge, open it up, and down here in Miscellaneous, I should be able to find, oh, you know what, it'll be easier if I type in help leather. Remember, I set it up to only require leather strips, so I need to find, I think it's, there it is. Alright, player.add item 800E4, and I need 3 of them. Alright, so, what did I call these? I called them the void leggings, which should be way down here. Way down at the bottom. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff in my game. So here's the Osari panties, and then I need panties. I need the void armor leggings, and I need the void armor upper chest. There we go. Let's go ahead and check these out. COC Studio 1. Going to Review Studio. Now I can go ahead and I can hit C on my keyboard. Go ahead and find those. There's the Osari panties. Now look, I have those equipped, but look, I have other pieces equipped too. I have all these pieces equipped. So there's my undergarment. Let's do the void upper chest. So where did that go? Void armor leggings and the void armor upper chest. There we go. I got these. All 3 of these suckers are equipped. Underneath it, I even have some fishnet leggings equipped. You know, you can equip all kinds of stuff. Now I can mix and match this now, so I have other stuff in my inventory. So if I wanted to use those leggings with this chest piece, there we go. See, now I can mix and match the armors and kind of build my own armor set, like pretty much any set that I wanted to put together. So as many pieces as I have, like if I were to go to my my player home and show you one of my wardrobes, there's probably 500 different armor pieces in there. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on for just tons of armors that I've disassembled. Basically, when I download somebody else's armor mod, I disassemble it into my armor system so I can equip it and mix and match it and mix it up with the other armor pieces that I've have in my game. So there you have it. That's pretty much all there is to it. You can have some fun with this and kind of disassemble as many armors as you want to, and even now when you release mods, you can go ahead and disassemble them so people can use them as mashups. You can decide how you want to go about it. I don't add armor value to my pieces, and I also do not allow people to enchant them, so I add magic disallow enchanting to the same place where you would put the armor material dwarven, you know, for where it's crafted. You would just add and search for that. So you get the basic idea. Tons of stuff you can do with this. You can have a lot of fun setting up these armors so people can mix and match them. Or, you know, if you have something that's it's not really a body armor, or maybe it's an optional like a cloak, and you want them to be able to choose whether or not they wear the cloak with the armor, you can have the cloak set up to use one of the unassigned slots. Any one of them is fine that I've used. I mean, I would recommend a shoulder, but that's just me. There you go. There you have it. So in our next video, we'll be covering working with creating real normal maps, and we'll also look at, with creating real three-dimensional normal maps, we're also going to take a look at how to create a real true flat UV map that can be used with photographic images. I mean, it's really flat and it's very professional. So in the next video, look forward to that. It's going to be some really high-tech stuff, or high advanced stuff that's going to deal with using ZBrush or some other kind of clay modeling programs such as Modbox from 3ds Max. I don't cover Modbox. I'm going to show you with ZBrush. They offer a tutorial, as I stated in a previous video, but don't get that until I release the video, or you're going to waste your tutorial chance, or a chance to even try it. Or you can even create a high polygon mesh. We'll get into all that in the next video. I don't want to get ahead of myself. So I'll see you for the next video. Again, if you have any questions, check me out over at NightasyTutorials.com. Register for the forums. Anyone can use them. Completely free to use the forums. You don't have to become a member to the site. You just have to register for the forums below the video player on the non-members page. So see you for the next video. I hope you enjoy this.